Read John Deere 345 Lawn and Garden Tractor. PTO will not engage. Used tractor to mow previous day. When started tractor next day, mower would not operate. Checked seat switch, OK. Replaced main control card. Still not working. What should I look for next?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. If you use jumper wires direct from the battery to the two wires going to the PTO clutch, will it engage?
Do the two wires going to the clutch originate at the control card? If so, how do I identify which wires?
The wires originate at the PTO switch. If you have to, work from the bottom up, follow the wires from the clutch back to the switch, depending on whether this is 345 or GX 345. The switch will be in the dash or under, where the PTO lever hits it and turns on the clutch.
Woody has entered this chat.
Full-size image. #XXXXX is PTO switch on this 345. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Scroll up to view response and diagram.
I am unable to get under the tractor to check wires at PTO. Have pulled the plug underneath the control lever and it has several wires going from it to a wire bundle. My tractor is a plain model 345. Do you have a wiring diagram I could follow? Got the wiring diagram. Will be unavailable until about 5 p.m. We'll let you know then what the answer is. Thanks for continuing to help. I cannot get around to well and it takes me a little longer to get things done. Wanted to try and find the answer and possibly fix myself and or a friend. Hate to have to take to the John Deere shop and pay a lot of money.
I don't have schematic for the 345, but here is a 425 with same control module.
Concerning the number 37 PTO switch, the male side of the switch has 5 blades. Numbering from top middle, I assign a number 1 and going around clockwise, I assign number 2 to top right, number 3 to bottom right, number 4 to bottom left, and number 5 to top left blade. Wires associated with each blade: number 1 has 1 wire, number 2 has 1 wire, number 3 has 2 wires, number 4 has 2 wires, and number 5 has no wires. Which 2 wires are associated with the PTO? I assume the tractor must be running to test.
No, you can test with just key on. I would think the 2 single wires would be the ones going to the clutch. Number 1 and #XXXXX, there would be no double wires to the clutch.
Thanks. I probably will not try again for a while. It is 105 degrees Fahrenheit outside and too hot to work. Supposed to be over 100 for the rest of the week. If this does not work, what do I need to replace and or what is the next things to try before taking it to John Deere? I appreciate your help. Will OK payment.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.